Your parrot isn't screaming because it's annoying. It's screaming because it thinks it just lost you. And most owners are making it worse without realizing it. If your parrot screams the moment you leave the room, this video will completely change how you see your bird. Because this isn't random noise. This is communication. Most people think parrots scream for attention, but that's not the full story. In the wild, parrots live in flocks, and when one bird disappears, the others call out to find them. It's how they stay safe. So when you leave the room, your parrot isn't being dramatic. It's asking, "Where did my flock go?" At first, it starts as a simple call, but when you don't respond, the call gets louder and louder until it becomes a scream. And here's where it gets worse. The moment you come back during that scream, you accidentally teach your bird. Screaming brings them back. There are usually three real reasons behind this behavior. First, flock instinct. Your parrot sees you as its flock, and being alone feels unsafe. Second, separation anxiety. Parrots form strong emotional bonds. Some birds panic when you disappear because they don't know if you're coming back. And third, boredom. If your bird has nothing to do, no stimulation, no engagement, screaming becomes its only outlet. Here's where most owners go wrong. Running back when your bird screams, yelling back at your parrot, or ignoring the behavior completely without training. All of these make the problem worse. Now, here's how you fix it. First, create a contact call. When your parrot calls, respond calmly. Let it know you're still there. Second, don't reward the screaming. Only return when your bird is calm, even if it's just a few seconds. Third, train short absences. Leave for a few seconds, come back, and slowly build trust. Fourth, increase stimulation. A busy bird is a quieter bird. And finally, create a routine. When your parrot learns that you always come back, the fear starts to disappear. Your parrot isn't trying to annoy you. It's trying to find you. And once you understand that, everything changes. If you want to truly understand your bird, subscribe to Parrot Decoded, because the more you understand, the stronger your bond becomes.